Norton, what are you doing here? Where is Alice?
Oh, hey, Raffy boy, she went to get you another sandwich. Just watching some TV.
I think you watch too much TV. Turn it off, or I'll turn off your air supply. Good. Now listen up. Since Alice isn't here, you get to hear the next devotion, number 20. Ruth had done the most nerve-wracking thing imaginable. She had proposed to Boaz. And almost immediately, her heart must have soared as she heard him agree to her proposal. Have you ever been on a roller coaster? If you have, you know that your heart will be soaring 1 minute and be jumping up into your throat the next as you plummet down toward the ground. That is exactly what happened to Ruth. Look at what Boaz said right after he told her that he would marry her. Ruth 3:12. And now it is true that I am thy near kinsman. Howbeit, there is a kinsman nearer than I. 1 minute, Ruth was rejoicing in her heart over how thrilling it was about to be to become Mrs. Boaz. A split second later, she was in anguish of mind, realizing that she might not be able to get married to him after all, and in fact, have to marry some other man of whom she knew absolutely nothing. Life is just like that, isn't it? To describe it as uncertain would be an understatement. 1 minute we are up, the next minute we are down. 1 minute we have hope, the next minute we're on pins and needles. How in the world could Ruth survive that? And how can we? Because in Boaz's words, she had come to trust under the wings of the God of Israel. It was not her circumstances that determined her outlook. It was her God that determined her outlook. In this world of such great uncertainty, do intentionally come to trust under the wings of God every single day. Winds and waves may change, but the wings of God are ever the same. Well, pal, what do you think?
That's pretty good and true. Especially around here, your reception is terrible. Just look at that fuzz.
Maybe you're just hooked to the wrong channel. And you know something else? God's channel always comes through. No fuzz with him.